Okay, today I'm going to show you how to add audio into Google Slides. They do have that option now within Google Slides. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go record your audio. So I'm going to have you go to, it's called, let me find it, it's called Vukaroo. So I'm going to go to Vukaroo, and all you have to do is hit the record button. And I'm going to go test, 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 test. And I'm going to hit stop. You can listen to it to make sure you like it. If not, you can start over. But I'm going to click save and share. And I am actually going to download it because I'm going to add it to my Google Drive. So once I download it, it's going to go down to my bottom of my page. I'm going to go to a new tab that has my Google Drive. And I actually made an audio folder. So I'm going to open that audio folder, and I am going to drag that download that I just created. And now I'm going to rename it. So I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go to rename, and I'm going to call it test audio. And I'm going to save it. Now I am going to pretend I have a Google Slides that I created and that I would like to add audio to. But for the purpose of this, I'm just going to open a new one. So let's pretend I have something on this page that I want to voice over. I am going to go to Insert, and I am going to go to Insert Audio. And I am, if you go, it's showing up right here actually, but if you don't see it, you could just hit Recent, and it should be your most recent. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to click that, and I'm going to select it. And then a little icon is going to come in here, and you can drag this wherever you want on the page. So I'm just going to put it at the bottom, and then the students can just listen. And I'm going to go test, 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 test. So you can do an audio recording of each page so that as they go through the slide pages, they can listen to your directions. I hope you find this helpful. Have a great day.